Hi everyone, I'm back again with a really cool device. It is such a cute portable neb that you could carry around in your handbag, keep one in the car, keep one at home. It's really great. It comes with three size attachments. So let me just show you quickly. It is rechargeable, so it comes with a cable and you can use batteries as well. Okay, and I'll show you how powerful it actually is. There you go. Okay, and then let me just quickly also show you how to use the attachment. It's really simple. Just pop it on. This is the bigger size. And then we have the kitty's size as well. Okay, so these nebulizers are available for resale as well. They are also 160 Rand, same price as the blood pressure monitors. However, these nebulizers are in extreme high demand, so they sell out really, really fast. So if you're looking for resale or just to purchase for yourself, you can find my number in my bio. And if you have any other questions or need any more information, please be sure to reach out.